and celery smoothie. And I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna set you guys right here and get a sip. Tastes like carrot and celery. It's pretty good though. The celery makes it kind of sweet, so I like it. Hey guys, so we just got Starbucks and I got a vanilla bean frappe with mocha drizzle, and it is so good. Usually when I go to Starbucks, I just get like the refreshers, but like this is like my favorite drink. It tastes like vanilla ice cream, and the chocolate drizzle is just so good. And it's so pretty. Hey guys, so it's a lot later now, and we went to Walmart and the dollar store for a bunch of stuff for my video I'm filming today, and it's going to be, I actually don't want to say it because I don't want her to know, but now we're going to get some Taco Bell because we're hungry and it's 5. It's time to eat. So, you know, just a little disaster, fail behind the DIY life. Sometimes your DIYs don't exactly work out. And of course, it was on my biggest snow globe. The freaking white tree just like completely came off out of the stem. So it's just like rolling around, but I mean, it looks okay. From far away, it looks cute. So, yeah. Hey guys, so I'm at a sleepover with my cousin and my friend. He's putting some water for her dogs right now, but it's currently about 12:30 a.m. and we're making some chocolate chip cookies and watching some movies. And here's what the cookies look like. Yeah. Looking snazzy. Yep. We're probably gonna watch like 2 more movies, and it's 12:30, so that's fun.
Okay, so we're still waiting for the cookies, which are in the oven, and right now we're just having some milk. Vlog takeover!
Ready? Here we go. Oh my god, it's so hot!
Those are really good.
Life hack, leave your oven cracked and it cools off.
It's not off yet.
Just shut them up. Just a little FYI, I wasn't being mean. That wasn't rehearsed. I don't know what they're talking about rehearsed. I was just like, we were talking and I was like, just shut them back up so they can cook for a few more minutes. And she only filmed for that amount of time. A small sliver. But yeah, we're still fixing some cookies. Round 2. The first time they weren't all the way done, so here we go. Heat wave.
Just shut them up, Kenzie.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Is the oven even on?
Now I've got to let those cool for a minute, and then I'm going to spatula them off the paper.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. Okay, guys, everyone get their reaction. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mhm. 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 She dropped it.
I'm still eating it. We cleaned the floor today.
Yeah, we did, because her dog kind of peed in the floor. Whoops. Okay, you know, we'll just fix. And there is our plate of cookies. Not homemade, but good enough. Hey guys, so today our December Ipsy came, and it's actually a little later than They usually come like the 5th or so of the month, and it's the 17th. But I'm just going to quickly open this because I need to leave in a few minutes because I have a basketball game. But yeah, here we go. Ooh, this looks nice and Christmassy. Very cute. It's like sequins. Okay, so inside, the first thing I see is this Coco and Eve hair mask, and it's really pretty packaging, so I'll probably use that because my hair is not the greatest. It's got a few dead ends. Okay, so next we have this really pretty rose gold handled brush, and they've actually sent me like 2 other with this kind of tip, so I'm kind of getting like the whole set. Next they gave me some lip gloss. There's not a color, but it's like a really light pink shimmery. It's actually really pretty. I really like that. Then we have some eye cream, boring. And then we have Trust and Fun. This feels like nail polish because it's heavy and we always request for nail polish, and it is. This is a really pretty like plum, dark gray purpley color. Not very Christmassy, but after Christmas I'm definitely going to use this. And then, wait, did I get 6 items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 6 this time. This is It Superhero Mascara. Sorry, I was not colored good. I was bleached out, but here's that. And then we have this little Be Merry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You card. So I'm actually really happy with the lip gloss and the brush and the nail polish. So definitely, this is like so pretty. This will be perfect for some Christmas eyeshadow looks. And also comment down below some videos you want to see for after Christmas. But yeah, there's my Ipsy unboxing. Hey guys, so we're just celebrating Christmas again, and so today we are actually making some Christmas Chex Mix, which we do every year. And so yeah, hopefully I can vlog a little bit of it, but just wanted to like start. I'm sorry, my shadow, but like yeah, here's the Christmas tree, and yeah, we're just cooking. Guys, I think this is the best present I've ever wrapped. It's so smooth and so beautiful. It's perfect. So this one also turned out really good. I used a gold sticker with a gold bow, and this wrapping paper was really pretty and kind of old-fashioned. So, okay, I know I keep saying this, but this is another really good-looking present I wrapped. And look how cool the wrapping paper is. It's so cute. There's a little puppy, Santa, and then the blue bow goes perfect. So here's the finished product. It's delicious. Oh, you didn't see that.
Sometimes I make it in them.
Delish.